Hello there! Today we're looking at Goya Chanpuru, which is an Okinawan dish, also known in English as bitter melon with a bunch of stuff in it. Goya is a little bit of a weird looking vegetable, but don't worry, it's actually real good. So I think that it's time to dive in. First you're going to chop up your tofu into large blocks. Stunning! Pop them aside. Now open up that funky looking veggie for me, and we're going to take out all of the seeds and innards. Nice and clean, and then you're just going to slice and dice those boys up. Don't dice them, slice them up. Now pop these Goya slices into a big old bowl, and you're going to pop salt on them. You're going to make these guys into a little salt bath for get back in there, into a little salt bath for you. So just enough water to cover, beautiful, and then set that aside because it's time for the meat. So flip open your pork belly there, and you're just going to cut it into 5cm slices. Stunning. And then we're just going to pop this on a plate, cover with salt and pepper. Excellent. And we're just going to separate them out because we didn't do that before. And then we're going to cover them with starch. There you go, nice good sprinkling. This makes everything nice and crunchy. And prep done. Moving over to the pan, we're going to shove in our tofu. Excellent. We're just going to do this on a high heat to brown everybody off. And we're done. Pop them aside. Now in the same pan, add some more oil because why not? Add in your pork belly. And then once that's about 80% done, add in the Goya. And you're going to cook these until soft. Very important. Give them a bit of a tossity toss. Get everybody knowing each other. Hey, how's it going? And then shove your tofu back in there. Excellent. Add in a couple of tablespoons of sake because who doesn't like a bit? Mentsuyu or Japanese noodle soup base, and oyster sauce. Give them a cursory mixity mix. Everybody knowing each other, or a bit of a tossity toss, why not? Give them a taste. Maybe a little bit more Mentsuyu there. Shove that in. Alrighty, another tossity toss. Alrighty, while whisking, add in your Eggos. Now we're doing this on a low heat just to kiss those Eggos with the flame. Nothing more. Alrighty, time to plate up. The only thing to keep in mind here is to get everybody onto the plate, so make sure you've got your big chunks of tofu, all of your Goya, a bunch of meat, and then just clean that boy up. Excellent. And for a garnish, sprinkle on some Bonito Flakes and some red ginger pickles. Done! Looks pretty good. Tonight's drink is a sour lemon sour from Hyoketsu. Get that nice Okinawan feel with a bunch of lemon. Now we've taken a swig, I think it's time for a taste test. Look at how jiggly that tofu is. While you've cooked away a lot of the bitterness of the Goya or bitter melon, you're still left with a little bit of bite, which is just perfect. Thanks to putting the starch on the pork, now you've got these little crunchy bits, which are an excellent contrast to the softness of this dish. So 3 takeaways. Make your tofu nice and big, cook your Goya all the way through, and then add your tofu, and pop everything on a low heat before you add your eggs, and then you'll be fine. So I hope that you enjoyed the taste of Okinawa right at home. I think it's high time that he shared this with me. So, see you next time.